Well, folks, we're getting there. We got this back in. Everything's in. I've got top dead center, everything, starters in, exhaust hooked up. Haven't hooked up the rad. I'm gonna wait till I hear it run, or at least fire, and then I'll throw in the rest of the front end here. But I think I'm ready for fluids. So basically I'm gonna throw the engine oil in and then run my oil pump with a cordless drill counterclockwise. So I pump some oil through the rest of the engine before the start. So hopefully, with any luck, by the end of the day today, we're going to have this thing actually make some noise. So stay tuned.